This is Raspberry 23. Welcome to Raspberry 23. We're taking an order in Jollibee. What do you want, Joy?
I don't know.
Okay, we're ordering here in Jollibee. As you can see here. I'm going to order Coke float and French fries. Ikaw, Joy?
Banh-mi and French fries.
Yes.
This is the B1 regular fries and dip. Huh?
Once again, this is Raspberry 23 with Marie and Margaret. Say hi. Yo.
Hi.
Yeah, I only ordered fries and Coke float. How about yours? Sundae and fries. How about yours? Yours is McDo. Why? Why do you choose McDo?
Delicious.
Really? You open it up. Open it up.
Go. Hop. Hop. Go. Okay. Time to eat.
Oh my gosh, I don't have straw. I need to get straw. Yep, I got my straw over here.
Wala, putong gana I think mga 3 or 4. Mga 3 na. Makdo mo. Saliti mo, makdo mo. That's what she said.
Dun, 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 dun. Yummy! Sayang ba? Walang boys. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I'm going to cut it right here because we're still going to have many things to do. So, I will see you next episode. Once again, this is Raspberry 23. Say bye! Say bye!